Hey there, I'm back again with another video tutorial. In today's video, I will show you few easy steps on how to create your very own Amazon account. Step 1. Visit the Amazon website on your computer. You can type amazon.com. Step 2 is look for the sign in button located at the top right corner of the Amazon homepage. Don't have an account yet? No worries. Just click on the start here below. Now it's time to enter some basic information. Provide your name, a valid email address, and create a strong password. Remember, your password is your secret key to a world of shopping delights. After providing your basic information, you just have to click on the verify email. Amazon wants to ensure you're a real person and not a robot. They will send you a verification code to the email address you provided. Simply check your inbox and enter the code when prompted. Once you are done entering the code, you just have to click on the Create Your Amazon Account. Congratulations! You're now an official member of the Amazon family. Start exploring millions of products from gadgets to fashion and so much more. And that's it. Short, simple, and engaging. Thank you for watching on how to create your own Amazon account and see you on my next video.